Are you looking for the best foam RC airplanes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best foam RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Lovovia Foam RC Airplane Fighter Jet. The Lovovia RC airplane is designed with beginners and kids in mind, making it easy for you to control and enjoy smooth flights. Its one-button takeoff and landing, along with altitude hold, help you fly confidently and perform impressive aerial tricks without hassle. The airplane lights up with bright, colorful LED lights, making it fun to fly even at night and adding a cool visual effect to your flights. Plus, its lightweight foam body is tough enough to handle bumps and crashes, so you can focus on learning and having fun both indoors and outdoors. What we like: easy to fly, durable foam construction, great for beginners, fun evening LED lights, quick charging time. Number 2. Lovovia Foam RC Airplane Fighter Jet. The Funk's LED RC airplane offers an exciting flying experience with its colorful LED lights that make night flights dazzling and fun, perfect for evening play or parties. You can easily switch between low and high speeds to suit your flying style, and perform impressive 360-degree flips with just one button, adding thrill to every flight. Its lightweight foam body ensures safety, especially for kids, protecting the plane during crashes. Plus, the easy controls include one-key takeoff and landing along with headless mode, making it simple for you to master flying quickly and enjoy hours of fun. What we like: lightweight and durable foam, easy to control, bright colorful lights, extra batteries included, fun for all ages. Number 3. HOLYFUN Drone. HOLYFUN RC Drone is a very fun and easy to fly quadcopter helicopter designed specifically for kids and beginners. With its 10-inch length, this drone is capable of performing stunts like 3D flips and auto-rotation, making it an exciting gift for birthdays or holidays. It features one-key takeoff and landing, as well as auto-hovering function, which allows for easy control and stable flight. The drone also comes with 3-speed adjustable speed mode, catering to different skill levels. With a total of 18 minutes of flight time and colorful lights, this drone can be enjoyed both during the day and night. The 2.4 GHz radio control system ensures a maximum control distance of 164 feet, allowing for fun flight experiences with friends. Made of lightweight and durable EPP material, the drone is equipped with propeller protection guards, ensuring safety for both kids and the drone itself. What we like: easy to control, lightweight foam design, fun LED lights, includes 2 batteries, good for beginners. Number 4. Sukpai Foam RC Plane with LED Lights. The Sukpai RC foam plane is designed with safety and fun in mind, making it perfect for kids and beginners. Its full side propeller guards protect you from injuries, while the lightweight, shock-absorbing foam body ensures durability and smooth flying. You'll enjoy exciting features like 360-degree flips and speed adjustments that add thrill to every flight. Plus, the bright built-in LED lights let you perform amazing stunts even in low light. Thanks to the 2.4 GHz radio system, you can fly multiple planes together without signal interference, offering stable control and a wider range for group play or racing. With 2 rechargeable batteries, you get up to 18 minutes of flying fun before recharging. What we like: easy to control, durable foam construction, LED lights for night flying, altitude hold feature, great value for price. Number 5. Ford DRC Foam RC Su-27 Jet Plane. The Ford DRC Foam RC Jet is a fun and easy-to-fly remote-control airplane inspired by the famous Su-27 fighter. It offers 2 simple takeoff options, either hand-throw or ground launch, making it perfect for beginners and kids. With a flight range of 150 meters, you can enjoy exciting flights far and wide. The plane includes 2 batteries, giving you up to 30 minutes of continuous flying time, so your fun lasts longer. Made from lightweight, Durable foam with added silicone and carbon fiber parts, it can handle accidental crashes safely. Plus, the built-in smart gyroscope helps keep the plane balanced and steady, so you can easily control it without frustration. Colorful night lights add extra excitement for evening flights, creating a cool light show in the sky. What we like: beginner-friendly takeoff modes. Long flight time with 2 batteries. Durable, lightweight foam material. Smart gyroscope for stability. Colorful night flying lights.